Use creative fill-in-the-blank posts for promotional purposes. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 2 is to use creative fill-in-the-blank posts for promotional purposes. Naturally, people like to have their anxiety provoked, and social media users are no exception. Fill-in-the-blank posts are posts that leave readers wondering what would happen if they got involved with whatever promotional idea is passed across in a social media post. Examples might be, if I had $1 million, I would blank. If I met my 18-year-old self, I would say these 3 words. My first words to my wife, spouse, significant other were, I first kissed someone I really thought I loved at. The worst thing you can name your child is. You get the idea. These are all examples of fill-in-the-blank social media posts that may engage your users to not only answer, but to share your post with their friends. Friendly banter in the comments is always a good thing to cause your post to be seen by many people. Use that visibility to get your name and your product or service in front of a wider audience. Stay connected to me, subscribe and hit that little bell, as I'll be posting one of these every day for the next 49 days. If you could say one thing to the President of the United States, that would be, until next time, life is good.